Whether you're looking for your first flying camera or are a more experienced aerial filmmaker in need of an upgrade, we've created this list featuring the world's best drones available in the market today. 1. DJI Air 2S. This folding flyer offers the ideal blend of portability and performance. Thanks to its impressive 1-inch sensor, intelligent flight modes, and useful 31-minute battery life. Whether you're a novice or an experienced landscape photographer, it's a fine companion for trips to the great outdoors. In this drone, you get the compact, folding design of the Mavic Air 2, plus the 20MP 1-inch sensor found in Mavic 2 Pro. This combination is just brilliant, making the Air 2S our top choice for hobbyists and also professionals who need a small drone that they can take anywhere. 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and the best compact drone you can buy. It has a premium price tag, but the Mini 3 Pro is a huge upgrade on the Mini 2 if you can justify the extra cost. For the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. 3. DJI Mavic 3. Looking for the most powerful compact drone around? The DJI Mavic 3 is it. This aerial powerhouse is fronted by a dual camera that mixes a large 20MP 4/3 sensor with a handy 162mm telephoto lens. Other improvements over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life and the ability to shoot 5K 50p video or 4K 120p slow-motion footage. Upgrade to the DJI Mavic 3 SIN bundle and you'll get 1 TB of internal storage, a very fancy DJI RC Pro controller, and the ability to shoot video in Apple ProRes 422 HQ format. 4. DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 has been nudged out of the limelight by the arrival of the DJI Air 2S, but you shouldn't rule it out as an option. After all, it's considered the sweet spot all-rounder of drones. It's more affordable than the Air 2S and may just suit you better if you don't need the new model's larger 1-inch sensor. It still shoots 4K 60p video, boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time, and has a comparable maximum 10 kilometers range. You also get the same subject tracking goodness as the Air 2S, a slightly longer 34-minute flight time, and that handy, compact folding design. While we'd stretch to the Air 2S if you can, due to its larger sensor and useful digital zoom, the Mavic Air 2 remains a great value option that is well worth considering. 5. Ryze Tello. Simple, lightweight, and affordable, the Ryze Tello is designed to be a fun drone for first-time flyers. And despite its budget price tag, the Tello offers plenty. The battery serves up a reasonable 13 minutes of flight time, while downward-facing light sensors allow the Tello to hover in place and perform a handful of automated tricks. These are our top picks for the best drones available today. What do you think? Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below.